The shiny logos of major fashion and health magazines are plastered across the page. Allure, People, Vogue, they are all there to make you feel like this is a household name. But if you try to find a single article or even a small mention of this supplement in those publications, you will find absolutely nothing. It is a ghost. A complete fabrication designed to make you trust a brand that has zero actual media presence. And that is where the trouble begins with this prostate supplement. It promises to restore balance at the root level and ease discomfort. But where's the proof? We look for clinical trials. We search for published research or any kind of credible medical study that could verify these claims. There is a total lack of evidence. No scientific data. No regulatory documents. Nothing to show that this formula is safe or even effective. Then you have the mysterious surgeon who supposedly recommends it, a man named Kyle Stevenson. The website calls him a top surgeon. But when you dig into medical profiles and official records, the man does not seem to exist. There are no public statements, no professional history, no link between this doctor and the product that can be verified in the real world. It feels like a character in a story rather than a medical professional. The health claims themselves are even more concerning. The marketing says it clears out harmful bacteria and fixes your prostate microbiome. Those are serious medical assertions. Usually, claims like that require mountains of expert validation. But here, there is only silence. They also boast about selling over 150,000 bottles in a very short amount of time. You would think a customer base that large would leave some kind of trail. Yet, on major independent review platforms, there is not a single user review to be found. No feedback. No testimonials. Nothing from the people who supposedly bought all those bottles. The red flags are everywhere you look. From the missing science to the unverified endorsements and the questionable sales figures. The lack of transparency is overwhelming. When you are dealing with your health, you cannot afford to take a gamble on a mystery. You need facts. You need to know exactly what you are putting into your body and why it is supposed to work. Without that, you are just buying into a high-pressure sales pitch. Do your own research. Look past the glossy website. And most importantly, talk to a real healthcare professional who has a verifiable record. Don't let a well-designed landing page replace the advice of a real doctor. Your health is worth much more than a supplement that refuses to show its work. Stay cautious, stay informed, and always look for the data before you commit to anything new. The truth should never be this hard to find.